cic gornel gynta'r gêm i'r ymwelwyr mewn at y postyn agosaf. Mae'r bêl yn cael ei helpu ymlaen. Dyma Ffow gyda Arsan yn agos ato fe. Dyma'r croesiad mewn ar y cyffyrddiad cyntaf. Wise lawr ac yna Simpson ac arbediad rhagorol gan Ashley Morris. Y peniad lawr yn hyfryd gan Wise, a oedd Simpson y gôl yn agored o'i flanau. Mae'n mynd at y postyn pella. Mae Jones yn penderfynu dyrnu. Dyma Wood yn oedi. A Sam Phillips yn dwyn y bêl. Phillips yn ennill tir. Asia Male'r unig un o'i flanau. Dyma Asia Male. Mewn i'r cwrt Cosby ar ei drod chwith ac yn ei chodi ddi dros y bar. Gwrth y mosodiad safonol gan y Derwyddon. Ffow. Mewn tu fewn, croesi'n isiel, allan gan Evans. Kane Owen yn ei tharo hi tuag at Amoon. Mae Jones yn oedi yn y lle cynta ac yna Amoon. Ond ddim yn cymryd mantais geith ail gyfle Ben Amoon dros ben pawb ac yn sgorio gol wych. Ben Amoon. Yr ergyd gynta'n cael ei tharo lawr, ond Ben Amoon yn codi'r bêl dros ben y gôl geidwad i gefn y rhwyd. Mae'n dafliad i'r Derwyddon a chyfle fan hyn i Bresley daflu'r bêl mewn. Dyma'r croesiad. Peniad pwysig allan. Wise! O! Nachi gol gan Jacob Wise ar y foli. I gol gynta i'r Derwyddon. Tro ar ôl tro, mae'r Derwyddon wedi crocio ar y drws. Ond am gol gan Jacob Wise i ennill pwynt i'r Derwyddon.
There is two ways to look at it. I think the majority will say a point gained because we were 1-0 down and then we equalized. I will say 2 points lost because besides the 2 goals, the only real clear chance to score was ours. And even the second half, I think they score when we are on our best period. I think first half they were better than us, really had more ball, had more possession, but didn't really create a lot of chances, to score. So they had more ball, yes. They had more ball on our field, yes, but not really creating chances. Second half we came strong. We were close. Then we had more ball. We were on top of the game, and we conceded a goal. Then we came back, scored a great goal, equalized. At the end of the day, a point is a point, and down the line, it might be an important point.
Oh, well, I'm exhausted. Frustrated really. I think I'm disappointed not just with the result but with the performance as well. I think first half we were by miles a better team. Only one team in it first half. Second half was probably more even, so it was an even game. So based on that you could say we deserved to win the game, but we didn't create much. We didn't create enough for all our possession first half and huffing and puffing second half. We didn't create enough. Theirs is a worldie of a goal, probably the best goal he'll ever score in his life. But then ours wasn't far away from that either. Ours was a special goal. I can't say we cut them open to score our goal. So disappointed that on a day where we could have really sort of made a statement, if you like, that we just didn't produce the quality. Although the effort from the players, again, it was superb, and it's been a long day for us. We've been in early to go through some stuff, so I can't fault their efforts, but we just didn't quite produce the quality today.
Jacob, many congratulations on scoring a quite remarkable goal at the end there. Talk us through it.
I saw the gap open up, so I just crept forward a bit slowly. Bruno's probably on the side saying stay back, but saw it drop down, and my first thought was just to header it back into the area, but then it got a bit lower. I was like, we'll hit it, hopefully it'll take a deflection and go for a corner, but it went top corner. I couldn't have asked for it better.
Have you ever scored a better goal than that?
No. I might just give up now that I'm done, I reckon.
And of course, next up is the new Saints, another difficult task for you.
And, everyone is difficult, to be honest. Obviously they are a good side, unbeaten so far. We will try to challenge them, and we'll try to take our chances, and we'll see what we can take out of the game.
And what will you be concentrating on now ahead of the live game here next Saturday against Caernarfon?
Yeah, it would be nice to be on the TV. It's top 4 TV, I call it. No, look, we'll be focused on Carnarvon. It's a specific task, totally different to today, totally different kettle of fish really. Probably a team that, if we want to be top 6, we're going to have to finish in and around them, certainly, because they'll be there. They're a good side. So I think it's a very even game on paper, and it'll need a bit of quality in it to get the points.